I'm going to make a quick video on how to recover a chain that is inside your cuckoo clock. This is my daughter's clock. The washer came off. She has the hook, and so the chain itself is up in the movement. And so what you can, because it's still connected to the great wheel, all you have to do is put a screwdriver inside and rotate the great wheel which will allow the chain to come through. And it is through. It's actually right here. So I'm going to get a magnetic screwdriver and see if I can get it to go where it's supposed to go. Give the great wheel another spin or two, and hopefully it'll come out. And there it is. But it came all the way out, so we're going to do this again. I'm going to feed it through. And then, with a screwdriver, rotating the great wheel, this great wheel might not be functioning properly. It seems awful loose. I might have to take this clock apart anyway and fix the great wheel. Yeah, it's the click isn't working properly on the great wheel. If the click was working, that is all you would have to do. But because the click's not working, I'm going to have to take the clock apart and fix the click. So that's what I'm going to do. But this is the Papa Cuckoo clock that I got her that has the music. She loves it. And so anyway, I hope you all got the idea. If the click was working properly, that is all you would have to do, is feed the chain down on this side of the great wheel, and then take a screwdriver and rotate the great wheel. But because the click's not working, the great wheel is just spinning. But if the click was working, all you'd have to do is rotate the great wheel and then pull the chain down to fix the problem. If your chain ever gets messed up like that, without taking the movement out. But because the click is messed up on this clock, I have to take the movement out. I hope this helps. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. God bless.